If you're broke right now, this might be the most important video you'll ever watch because I'm about to show you the exact phases that turn broke people into millionaires through investing. And keep in mind, this is not a theory, and it's definitely not hype. This is a real roadmap. If you follow these phases and stay consistent, it's impossible not to build wealth. I don't care where you're starting from. I don't care if you're deep in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or barely getting by each month. This is how people go from being broke to becoming financially free. Phase 1, stabilize your foundation, mindset plus money control. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to fix your foundation because if your mind and your money are a mess, your investments will be too. The truth is, most broke people don't actually have a money problem. They have a mindset problem. They believe things like, I'll always be broke, or only rich people can invest, or even, it's too late for me. And none of that is true. Millionaires aren't born with a silver spoon, and most of them started out exactly where you are right now. But what they didn't do is stay there. They changed the way they thought about money. They took the time to learn how money works. They stopped wondering where their money went and started telling it exactly where to go. This phase is all about control. You have to control your income by knowing what's coming in and control your spending by knowing what's going out. And you can't let lifestyle creep sneak in just because you got a little raise or bonus. Your first job is to plug the leaks in your money bucket. If you're earning $4,000 a month but spending $4,100, then you're not broke because of your job, you're broke because of your habits. Stabilizing your money and your mindset is like laying the foundation for a house. And if the foundation is cracked, the whole thing will collapse later. Phase 2, build your cash buffer, emergency plus mental safety net. Before you even think about investing, you need to get out of survival mode. When you are broke, even something as small as a flat tire or a surprise bill can destroy your entire month. That is exactly why every broke person needs what I call a cash buffer. This is your emergency fund, your safety net that keeps you from spiraling deeper into financial stress. You do not need a massive amount to start, but you do need enough to handle basic unexpected expenses without falling apart. It is not there for buying things you want or covering the cost of overspending. It is strictly for real emergencies, and it serves two important purposes. First, it protects you from falling into debt every time life throws something unexpected your way. Second, it gives you mental stability, which is just as important as financial stability. When you have a cash buffer in place, you are able to invest without fear, because if you invest while feeling panicked or unstable, you are much more likely to pull your money out the moment the market dips. That reaction can destroy your progress. This is why the cash buffer must come before building wealth. It is not just about having some extra money. It is about feeling safe enough to think clearly, make smart choices, and confidently move into the next phase. Phase 3, automate wealth, invest small, smart, and consistent. This is the phase where everything begins to shift because you are no longer just trying to survive. You are now focused on building something that lasts. Despite what most people believe, it does not take a lot of money to start investing. That is one of the biggest myths keeping people stuck. You do not need thousands of dollars sitting in the bank. You can start small, even with just a few dollars each week, because what matters most is not how much you invest, but how often you do it. This phase is all about removing hesitation and building consistency. Choose a simple, proven strategy, like putting your money into a low-cost index fund, and set up automatic transfers so the money moves from your checking account to your investment account on a set schedule. Weekly or monthly, it does not matter as long as it is consistent and automatic. This system takes emotions out of the equation. You no longer have to overthink the timing or question if the market is up or down. You simply invest regardless of how things feel in the moment. And this is exactly how people who start with nothing begin to win. Not with risky bets or chasing hype, but with quiet, steady habits that repeat over time. Wealth is not built with noise. It is built in the background through discipline that becomes automatic. Phase 4, multiply with income and contributions. Once your investment system is set in motion and operating smoothly, it's time to accelerate your progress. The key idea here is simple. You cannot cut your way to wealth. Growth is essential, and that means increasing your income. At this stage, your focus shifts from reducing expenses to increasing what you bring in. There are multiple ways to achieve this. You could aim for a higher paying job, start a side hustle, acquire a new skill that could lead to a raise, or even sell things you no longer need and redirect that money into your investments. Each dollar you earn plays a vital role, and the more you earn, the more opportunities you create for your money to work for you. It's crucial to remember that your money should work harder than you do. For example, in phase 3, you might have started with a modest investment of $50 per month. While that's a great start, imagine if you were to receive a raise or generate extra income from a side hustle. Now you can invest $200 or even $500 per month. That's how you truly multiply your results. The key is consistency and feeding your system. You don't need to be a genius investor. You just need to keep adding to the process. Money works like a snowball. The more you add, the faster it grows. Phase 5, long-term play plus mental fortitude. Becoming a millionaire or a billionaire through investing does not happen overnight. It is a long-term commitment that demands years of consistent action, thoughtful decisions, and unwavering discipline. The truth is, wealth is not built through a few years of fast-paced gains, but through slow, intentional progress that compounds over time. This journey is not for those who expect instant results or panic at the first sign of uncertainty. It requires mental fortitude, the strength to keep going when growth feels slow, when the market dips, or when emotions begin to whisper that it might be time to quit. Investing is a marathon, and staying in the game is the most important move you can make. Along the way, there will be distractions, but true investors understand that building wealth is not about reacting to the noise. It is about following a process that works. As time goes on, your confidence grows. You begin to diversify your investments, spreading your money across different assets to reduce risk and increase opportunity. And you gradually raise your contributions, turning what was once a small weekly amount into a powerful monthly force. Over time, your system compounds, your habits solidify, and your wealth multiplies. It does not come from luck. It comes from discipline, growth, and staying in the game long enough to let your efforts deliver results. The market does not reward emotions. It rewards time, patience, and consistent strategy. If you fully commit to the journey, it is not a matter of if you become wealthy. It is simply a matter of when. So there it is, the exact investing phases that can turn any broke person into a millionaire. But to be honest, most people won't follow it. Not because it doesn't work, but because it's not flashy, it's not fast, and it's definitely not exciting. It takes patience, consistency, and belief in the process. But here's the truth. It works. If you master these phases and trust the journey, then you're not just investing money, you're actually investing in your freedom. The earlier you start, the better your results will be. And your next move starts right now. It's important to watch the video that just popped up on your screen where I break down exactly how to save money quickly and painlessly.